Hi, my name is Greg. I'm a creator of LearnMath123, and I want to just show you very quickly how to use this system. So when you enter either on your phone or on your computer, you click on Login Register, and when you get here, the easiest thing is to simply use your Google account or Facebook account, and it will link. Or you can also register via email, and I'm just going to show you how that's done. So if you go to here, I can type an email. So I'll put here testing. And I'll put some kind of a password. And I click register. When you do, you're immediately in. However, you will get an email asking you to confirm your email address. So please do that later. But the next thing you do is you have to add your children. So you click add child, and the easiest thing is if your child actually has an email address of their own. Let's just say that they do, so we call it Bob. Say an email is, let's just use, so we can show you an example. That's the easiest thing. If your child does not have an email, just enter your own email and you'll see how it works. And once you do that, really, you have to just assign exercises to your child, and you do that by clicking the plus button. And you just quickly, add exercises. And you can read about this. Each exercise takes a couple of minutes, so you can easily just adjust it to how much time a child has. And if you click notify by email, your child will actually get an email with a link to do the exercises. And let me wait until it shows up in my emails, and I can show it to you very shortly. So here's an example of an email. I have to make it smaller here. Hi Bob, your parent assigned you exercises, and they can click here and basically complete their exercises. So they'll be able to complete their exercises once they get the email. However, you can also just hand your phone to your child and click do now. And when you do that, there's a little introduction, a little something I was experimenting with. But this is really what it is. They get exercises. The system starts with something very basic. So it asks you to add numbers. It gives you a little visual help. And it gets progressively more and more difficult. And they have a little complete. And once it reaches 100%, then they've completed. If they make a mistake, the progress is reduced. And you can also click here, access to watch videos. These are links to basically mathematic videos on YouTube. And the child can actually learn what's happening here. Anyway, they'll be taken through addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. A bunch of simple things. This is just basically like a demo that I've built, so it doesn't have obviously all of mathematics. Lastly, what I want to show you is that you can also share one account between two parents. So you click here and you go to family. And when you come here, you will have this invite code. So both mother and father, can create an account separately here, just the way I showed. And then you can link those accounts using this code. And when you do that, you will have the same list of children and the same exercises assigned. If time allows, there will be other things like reports and things like that. So you can actually see the progress of how your child is doing. It's not there yet. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks. Oh, maybe one last thing. I do actually have a Facebook page. So any ideas or suggestions, go ahead and we can talk on Facebook. Hope you enjoy it. Bye-bye.